Hello everybody, this is Michael LA. Today I'm on the HOLZ fair in Basel, and I'd like to show you how the new Festool Rotex 90 is doing a great job on the very old fence window frame, having three different layers of first a primer, then a paint, and then a clear varnish. And so these RO90 is doing really great job with that new Granat paper. It's a 40 grit, and on this short video now you see how effectively I did it myself on a piece of wood, and I was really so impressed that I had to shoot this short video and show you. You can save a lot of work with these tools. So